Ready to dive into building your own insurance app, something that could rival the industry titans? First, let's get one thing straight: developing an insurance app like Geico is a multi-step process, not a quick fix from the start. You'll need a solid plan, a deep understanding of insurance, and a significant investment. Step 1. Define your app's core functionality. Think about what users need. Policy management. That's a must. Let users view and modify their existing policies. Next is claims filing. This should be seamless, so users can easily submit a claim directly through the app. And don't forget payment options. Integrate secure payment gateways for seamless premium payments. Step 2. Security first. This is non-negotiable. Building an app that properly handles sensitive personal and financial data requires robust security measures. Implement end-to-end encryption for all communications. Employ multi-factor authentication, and comply with all relevant data privacy regulations. Step 3. Development and design. Hire experienced app developers who understand both iOS and Android platforms. Prioritize a user-friendly interface. Navigation should be intuitive so users can easily find what they need. The design must be sleek, modern, and, most importantly, accessible. Make sure everything works with the user's needs and is easy for them to understand. Finally, consider ongoing maintenance and updates. The insurance landscape is constantly evolving, so your app will need continuous updates that reflect changes in regulations, new features, and improvements. Be prepared for the long haul. Building a successful insurance app is an investment in the future of your business.